To update your subscription payment method, sign in to your customer account and click on Subscriptions from the menu. Select the subscription you'd like to update. In the Payment Method section, click the Edit icon. Review the current payment method. To proceed with the update, click on the Edit link. This will redirect you to your profile page. On the profile page, locate the Payment Method section again. Select the existing card and review the details carefully. Ensure the selected card is authorized for subscription payments. To make changes, click on the Edit icon. Enter the updated card details, and choose an existing billing address or add a new one if necessary. Once complete, click the Save button. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your subscription payment method.